Students, let's do two other problems now. So the first question is integration of cos 2x divided by sine square x cos square x dx. Alright, so how can we approach this problem? In integration, whenever there are such trigonometric functions, you have to be very clear with your trigonometric formulas. There are actually three such formulas of cos 2x. But in this question, only one formula will be applicable, as that will help us break this integration down into its simple format very easily. So here, in place of cos 2x, we can write it as cos square x minus sine square x divided by sine square x cos square x dx. Next, we will simply break this thing, cos square x divided by sine square x cos square x minus sine square x divided by sine square x cos square x dx. Alright. Next, after simplifying, what we will get here is cosec square x dx minus integration of sec square x dx. And now it is all about the integration formula that we have to apply, right? What is integration of cosec square x dx? Nothing but minus cot x. What is integration of sec square x dx? Nothing but minus tan x plus c. Sorry, integration of sec square x is integration of sec square x dx is plus tan x, and there is a minus sign here. That is why we put a minus here. Okay. So this was the first practice problem. Now we will do one more. E to the power 6 log x minus e to the power 5 log x divided by e to the power 4 log x minus e to the power 3 log x integration with dx. Okay. So how will we approach this problem? Whenever you have such thing like e to the power 6 log x, then you can easily write this as e to the power log x to the power 6, which in turn you can write as, since this is log base e, so you can simply write this as x to the power 6. Okay. So here we can directly put it as x to the power 6 minus x to the power 5 divided by x to the power 4 minus x to the power 3. Alright, and then take common x to the power 5, this will become x minus 1, and here x to the power 3, this will become x minus 1 dx, and you will get here integration of x squared dx after simplifying. and then finally you will have x cube by 3 plus c as your final answer. Okay, so these are the two problems that I showed you in this video. There is one thing that I wanted to talk about, and that is whenever I solve problems, just don't copy the problems. Try to see the question first, then solve that yourself. If you cannot do it, then only watch the video of the solution from me. Okay, it is a very important tip to be able to excel in examinations or to be able to understand a chapter, because if you simply copy my solution, then you will not really learn anything. You have to learn to apply the problems perfectly and properly, and in order to do that you have to learn to first solve it by yourself. Maybe it will take some time, maybe you will not be able to solve it. In that case you can take help. In case you in 5, 10 or 15 minutes you are not able to approach the problem, then you can see my video and then solve the problem. But please don't just copy the problem. This is a very useful tip which you might think that it is unnecessary, but trust me, this will really help you if you follow it. So now we will solve some more such problems. Let's move ahead.